Imagine coding 10 times faster with AI literally writing, fixing, and explaining your code in real time. But the real question is, should developers actually switch from VS Code to Cursor AI? Let's break it down simply. So, Cursor AI is an AI first code editor built on top of the Visual Studio Code. That means it looks and feels like VS Code but deeply integrates AI into the entire coding workflow. Whereas VS Code is still the world's most popular code editor, it's lightweight, customizable, and trusted of million developers. But the difference is that VS Code gives you tools and Cursor tries to become your AI coding partner. So the pros of using Cursor AI is that the AI coding is built in. You have faster development for repetitive tasks, for debugging, all those things, and you have better context awareness. Like unlike many AI extensions, Cursor can understand multiple files and your code structures. It's great for beginners. And on the downside with Cursor is that it's over dependence on AI. If developers rely too much on AI generated code, then problem solving will become weaker, and it's not always accurate. And the some features are paid, so you got to pay for it to use it. Whereas VS Code on the other side here, it's actually extremely stable and trusted. It's tested, and it has massive extension ecosystem. There is an extension for basically everything, and it's lightweight and flexible. It's better for traditional developers. But on the downside is the AI isn't native, so you need extensions like mostly GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT integration for the advanced AI help, and it has slower workflows for some tasks. But if you're a beginner, if you're new to coding, then Cursor AI might be a better option for you because it can help you with accelerate learning and less frustrations. But if you're like a professional developer, if you already have like strong coding fundamentals, then VS Code with selective AI tools may give you more control and flexibility. So I would say VS Code is still the king of code editors, but Cursor AI represents where developments it's heading next, like AI assisted programming.